Hello students and welcome to Top Scholars. Today we'll be talking about another very interesting topic, that is modes of feeding and introduction to digestion in humans. Students, let us first talk about food and nutrition. All organisms need food for growth, repair and general functioning of the body. Animal nutrition includes the following ways. The very first one is the way in which the food is consumed or the food is taken into the body, followed by the nutritional requirement of the body and the way of animals using the food. So let us take a look, students. Digestion is the process in which animals break down the complex food materials into simple absorbable substances. For example, let us say you eat proteins. The proteins in the body will get converted or broken down into simple small amino acids. And these amino acids can then be absorbed by the intestine. Also, when you eat rice, rice contains starch, which is a very long polysaccharide. But in the body, these starch molecules are broken down into simple sugars which can be absorbed. Students, let us see some examples for the mode of feeding. We have a beautiful chart here having the names of animals, the type of food they eat and the method of their feeding. The very first one is the snail. The food is grass and the mode of feeding is chewing. The ant eats insects by scraping. The eagle eats meat, that is flesh, by swallowing. The hummingbird drinks nectar by sucking. The lice and mosquito both drink blood by sucking. The butterfly again drinks nectar, but instead of sucking, it uses a technique known as siphoning. And finally, students, housefly, they feed upon decaying matter by sponging. So these were some examples of animals, their type of food and their mode of feeding.
To learn more about this topic, download Toppscholars app.